Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to show step by step how you can access Cpanel with Namecheap. So it's pretty easy, and all you want to do is that when you're going to be dashboard, you want to go to domain list. When you're going to be in domain list, here you want to click on domains, and here click all products. And right then you're going to have this, this server icon here. You want to hover over it, and then under manage you're going to go to Cpanel. And here you are. So here you're going to be in Cpanel. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye.